Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you if you're facing the checking resource integrity stuck on 0% or 99% error on Zenless Zone Zero, how to fix it. I'll be giving you some methods and telling you about the possibility of the obstacle you're facing. So if you are using a system that runs on 2 cores, so if your processor has only 2 cores, so it will this obstacle or error is most likely to occur as it cannot run on 2 cores. So to check that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to right click on your taskbar, go to task manager. From here you can go to performance, and here at the tab you can see at the right side there are some details here. So in the core section you can see I have 6 cores. So if you have 2 and the maximum that you can have is 2, so this error may occur. So for that I don't think you can do anything. You'll have to upgrade your processor. So if you have more than 2 cores and you're still facing the issue, what you can do is you can flush your DNS and set your alternative DNS. So to do that, go to your search tab, find your command prompt, cmd, right click on it, run as administrator plus yes, and then from here you'll have to type in ipconfig and then space /flush DNS. Press enter. It will flush, Windows will flush your DNS and your IP configuration. After that you will have to go to search again, go to control panel, go to network and internet, and then network and sharing center. From here you'll see your internet and internet type. So if you're using a Wi-Fi, you will see Wi-Fi. I'm using Ethernet. Press on this. From here you'll have to go to properties, and then you'll have to find internet protocol version 4. Click on that and go to properties, and then from here you'll see 2 options at the bottom. So obtain DNS server address automatically, and we'll have to click on this use following DNS server address. Type in 8888 and 8844 and then simply press OK and save these settings, and hopefully your game will run smoothly without the error. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.